welcome back. So we'll learn about the library functions today. The library functions are the inbuilt functions, and they are pre-written functions that are used to perform some common tasks, and they are grouped together and placed inside some libraries. And these libraries, they contain the code for several functions. So in order to use these functions, we must include the header files into our program. The advantages of library functions are as follows. So these library functions, they have undergone rigorous testings several times and they are ready to use by us. And we need not rewrite some functions like printing on the screen and receiving input, etc. So it saves our coding time. These are portable functions and our application must work every time and everywhere. So these library functions are helpful in that case. Okay. Some of the header files that we have to include, we can include in our programmer math.h, stdio.h, string.h, and time.h. These are the functions listed inside the stdio.h. Some basic functions. Printf, scanf that we regularly use, puts and gets. Okay, we also have time.h. And some of the functions are set date, which modifies the system date, and get date gets the CPU time, clock gets the current system time, and time gets the current system time as structure. We also have some library functions listed inside the math.h. SQRT to find the square root of a number. Cube root of a number is found using CBRT. Pub is used to find the power for a number. For example, 2 to the power 3 or 5 to the power 9, something like that. And logarithmic values are also obtained using this log function. We also have some trigonometric functions like sine, cos, tan, etc. All these functions are also available within the math.h. I have included the header file stdio.h now. I'm including math.h. Void main. I'm declaring two variables A and B. I'm going to get the input for A. Scanf %d and A. And I'm going to find the square root for A, and I'm going to print the value. Okay. Now we'll save. Lib.c. ECC lib.c -o lib. I'll enter 64. I should get the answer as 8. We'll check now. Okay, I have got the answer as 8. So hope you're all clear with the concepts of library functions And in the next video, we will learn about the arrays. Thank you.